Oh, hello. I can. There we go. That's it right there. Yeah, I ain't got started. Allow contacts to add me. Do I need to allow contacts to add me or just skip for now?
Driver, watch the lights.
Get you an LOR channel, set it all up later. Oh, so yeah, get Discord so we can talk live over this typing shit. Oh, okay. So do I
Right,
get started or skip that for now?
Final call.
Skip
all
or get started?
Racers and classes needs to be in the staging lanes. This is your 2 minute.
For real? Okay. Let me see. Allow someone to add you if they had a phone number saved in their phone.
Jesse Hernandez is on a bye run. Jeremy Carter is here.
We're ready.
Oh, you guys are ready. All right, hold tight. Let this little deal go through here. This is going to be a big matchup right here.
Okay. I'm on it, y'all. That must be a long setup.
Let's hit it.
Here we go, guys. Still full tree. Watch him.
Oh, snap. Let it go. Oh, he kept. Oh, God dang. Went rolling over, y'all.
No more grudging when these guys are waiting. That's it. They've ruined it for everybody else. All right, guys. Let's try to get this track up as soon as we can. Look, he can.
Not sure yet. Hey, can we get them to blow the track off now that everybody ran down?
An exclusive place. Find study groups, clubs, friends. Do I join that hub? Yeah, well, I got questions while I am here. Already, man. Y'all had y'all a good time.
You just posted something again. I just got another alert, man.
Yeah, man. I still.
You just posted 40 minutes ago. He already alerted me.
I'm a posting while I'm live. I'm on Twitch and posting on YouTube.
Look. My YouTube, you see it just alert me, didn't it?
Yeah,
so you posted 40 minutes ago. It's working.
It's working.
Yeah, it is.
That more working, man. Them alerts working over there, man.
I'm out here with a little guy and he posting stuff, man.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah, he just posted Blackjack in the Muppet Man.
Yeah.
There it is.
They out there doing it. They out there doing it.
See, that's the thing about it. You got to be subscribed in order to get that alert.
Yeah, you gotta be subscribed. I got 14 likes so far.
Yeah,
That's pretty
you gotta
good.
be subscribed in order to get.
That's pretty good. Hey, look out. Let me see something. Look, you see right there where it say join?
Yeah.
I'm finna check that out. You can just check it out just to show them how it look. I'm finna have it to where in order to see it live on YouTube, you gonna have to join.
Okay.
For the people, I'm just showing it. For the people, let me hey, zoom. There it go. Bam. So right there, when you hit join, the price finna change. So y'all better go and get on that while I'm slipping. But yeah, you gonna be a member. I'm finna change the price. It's gonna cost to be live. I'm finna be at all these big events that everybody, oh, that's my favorite. I can't wait till you go there. And don't want to put nothing with something. I'm finna, you gonna join me there. That's gonna be the only way.
So right now you still on all three of them?
Yeah, well now I'm just doing Twitch now. And then what I'm gonna do is in a day or two, I'm gonna take the Twitch video and put it on YouTube. Yeah, cause see the YouTube be playing, man. I have 8,000 views and 132 likes. So you know if I can't get a like, you know I can't get no cash. Right. And that my main goal is to try to get the cash. But I'm thinking if I can't get a like, boy, I sure can't get them to type that credit card number in. They ain't gonna type that then.
All right, look out.
All right, y'all have a good one. You good with the drone, brother? Yeah, man, I'm a professional. I got my license and everything. License and insurance. And I'm known well enough that a lot of people just know me from flying the drone. Cause I tried to weasel in and try that way, try to get known as the guy flying the drone. And shit, and try to get some money that way and offer a service and have license and insurance and try to be professional. But it ain't work. It ain't work. I still ain't been hired to do a Dallas event yet, and I live in Dallas, and I've been doing it for 3 years. So that method didn't work. YouTube really didn't work. Hey Twitch, how y'all doing? If that don't work, I'll go to TikTok. If that don't work, I'm downloading Discord right now. Yeah. If that don't work, I'll find something. Everything ain't gonna keep working for me. One of them gonna work. Some gonna jump. I might not stay down the way everybody want me to, but I gotta figure out my way. That don't work. OnlyFans. There my boy go. Rob one time said, buy a food truck. That might work. I'll try that. I'll keep trying something. I bet if I was to quit, a whole bunch of people would be mad, talking about what they would have did. I would have. Oh, everything good, man. About to be on hour 8. 7 hours and 58 minutes. Let me see, get that dang grub out. Never give up. It's not that it didn't work, it's that the right person haven't seen you. It will work. I flew my boys drawn up, fucked it up like right damn. Yeah, that's bad. I'll be mad. I like your hat. Might have to scoop one up. Oh, I read. Huh? Where? Oh yeah. Nah, I don't be paying no attention. Probably some planet or something.
You're right.
Nah, I don't know what planet that is. Oh, that's Venus?
It's the morning or evening star. It's the brightest planet.
Yeah.
So that's Venus. And then we here. That's the other one. That's Jupiter.
Oh, that's Jupiter. So you just know where the planet's at when you look up in the air.
Well, first of all, like, because right now, you know, sun's setting. So I already know that the first, quote, stars to appear are going to be the brightest.